Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a curtain back tie. Ito po ang kanyang itsura at meron din po siyang tali sa likod at ito ay adjustable. So I am using a milk cotton yarn. This is what I'm using and it can be purchased in my TikTok shop. I will put the link on the description below. So let's start now. So first, gagawa po tayo ng ditong sa gitna. So in the shade of blue po tayo. First, we will make a magic ring and make a 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hilain po natin ito para ma-close natin. And then, sa second round, we're going to increase. So make a slip stitch and make a chain, one chain, and then on the same hole make a single crochet, and then on the next hole make 2 single crochet. So sa lahat po ng hole ay 2 single crochet, ganun po ang increase hanggang ma-reach natin yung 12. So sa second row gagawa pa tayo ng 12 na single crochet. So we will close the second row with the slip stitch and then make another chain, one chain, and on the next hole we will be going to increase. So 2 single crochet in one hole, and next hole is 1 single crochet, next hole is 2 single crochet. So we will just repeat that hanggang matapos natin ang third round. So let's close our third row with a slip stitch and then make another chain, and then sa fourth round natin ay puro na siya single crochet lahat. So bubuo tayo ng 6 rows. So this one is 6 rows. So, 1 single crochet na siya hanggang sa 6 rows. At sa 7th row ay mag-change color po tayo. So, single crochet po hanggang sa matapos natin ang 7th round. So, ilock po natin siya with a slip stitch and then make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a double crochet on the next hole, then make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make a double crochet on the next second hole. Make 1 chain, make double crochet on the next hole. And then make another 8 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make double crochet on the second hole. Chain 1 and another double crochet on the next hole. So ganun lang, we will just repeat the process. And for the last part of this round, so we will just lock this round, make a slip stitch here, next is we're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2, and make 5 double crochet into this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is we're going to make 5 double crochet on this area. 3, 4, 5. And then just continue making double crochet on this stitch, on this hole. It's 1 double crochet. So in this, on this hole, we are going to make 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is just continue making double crochet dito sa area na to, here. Just do it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue making double crochet dito sa area na to. So 5 din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then dito sa area na to, gawa din tayo ng same din, 5 na double crochet. So just continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will just repeat the process. Next natin ay just continue making double crochet dito sa gitna na to. So 5 double crochet dito sa hole. So ganito na siya. So for the last part of this round, so we will make the 5 double crochet in this area para matapos na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will make a slip stitch para malak natin. Okay. So for the next round, gagawa tayo ng 2 chains, and then on the same hole make a double crochet. And then gagawin po natin, so sa lahat po ng stitch o sa lahat ng hole, gagawa po mag-i-increase po tayo. So 2 double crochet in each hole. So we'll lock this now by a slip stitch. And we have done our petals. Now we are going to make the leaves. So sa part na ito, dito po tayo gagawa ng ating leaves. So we'll make first a chain. So 2 chains, and then we'll make double crochets. So we are going to make 8 double crochets. So 2, 3, 4. So after that, we'll make a chain 1 and make double crochet on another, on this part. So after this, ilalak natin ang round na ito by making a slip stitch dito sa second chain na ginawa natin noon. Then make another 2 chains, and then make double crochet on each hole. So 2, 3, 4. Sa ika-apat na hole, ito double natin, so mag-i-increase tayo 2 double crochet sa ika-apat na hole, and then make 2 chains, and then mag slip stitch tayo dito sa unang chain na ginawa natin para mag-formang dahon na siya. Then make double crochet on the next hole. So next na mga holes ay tag-iisang double crochet. And then gagawa tayo ng single crochet dito sa part na to. 1 single crochet, and then next Susunod ay double crochet sa 1, 2, 3, 4. So, same process. Repeat lang po natin ang kung paano natin ginawa ang dangon na to. So, let's lock this last part with the slip stitch. So, sa kanyang pantali, gagawa po tayo ng 60 chains. So, after natin makagawa ng 60 chains, we will just add 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we will make a double crochet on the 60th chain. And then chain 1. Then make a double crochet on the next hole. So we'll just skip 1, then make a chain 1, skip the next hole, then make a double crochet on the next. So we will just repeat the process hanggang makarating tayo sa dulo. So ganito lang kanyang pantali, so you can make a design of your own. And then, itatahi po natin siya dito. Here. At lalagyan po natin siya ng botones. So, that's it. I hope you like this video. And if you like, please leave a thumbs up. And please do subscribe. So, see you again next time. Bye!